morning. Dwight Cliff Jr. here, one half of Cliff and Cliff. Man, right now I'm heading over to the demo job. I'm about to pull up on it here in a hot minute. But yeah, I'm pulling up, man, and it's looking like this thing is done. All the debris is gone. All the trash. It's beautiful. Let's jump out here and see what we're working with. We'll leave the truck on. We're not going to be here too long. Turn this camera around. So this is actually day 5 of demo of demolishing this house. So it's pretty much done. And I just walked back here to the back of the site. He had this dug out already. Looks like the old sewer has been capped and ready for inspection. So that's nice. He has a pipe there that says buried sewer on it. So, yeah. That's it for the most part. Everything is demoed and cleared out. Now, last things he has to do is just kind of come over here and grade us back out a little bit. Make sure we're all nice and taken care of from that standpoint. So, it is what it is. Day 5 demo, and this is the state we're in. We got our sewer disconnect inspection. That's why he has it all locked off for like that, taped off. Safety is key. So there you have it. Property's all demoed and ready to go for the most part. Last things we got to do is get our get this inspection done on the sewer line, disconnect. Gas line's already been disconnected, water line's already been disconnected. And so, yeah, it's all ready for its inspection. Then we're going to seed and grade it out a little bit better than this. Seed it and straw it. That's a done deal. So, that's how you demo a house in Indianapolis.